Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to validate and use Microsoft Defender for containers. I'll do the step-by-step exercises to configure and use and show you how to use Defender for containers. First step would be to install Docker Desktop on your laptop, desktop, workstation, whatever you are using to try it, and then check the Docker version. So you can go and check the system requirements or the Docker requirements, and after the installation open a PowerShell on your computer and verify the Docker version by executing the command docker space version. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I am logged on to the portal, so I'll launch PowerShell. You can use command prompt as well to check the Docker version. I'm just using PowerShell here. Okay, I ran the command docker version and I'm running 20.10.5. So now we will download vulnerable image from Docker Hub into the container registry. So we will go to the Azure portal. This is my Azure portal. I will look for my container registry. So this is my container registry. And in the overview you see the login server. You copy it and make a note of it. I need only the login server name. I don't need the complete name of it. I will open up the command shell. Oh, I don't want this. I'll open up the PowerShell and I'll do acr login name and just add the name here. I should get a pop-up. Now it shows login succeeded. Now I will download a vulnerable image from Docker Hub. And I will do docker pull vulnerables web-dvwa using default tags. It will take few seconds but download. It is downloading that. Let me pause the video and come back. Now that seems to be completed. I will check the image on my local repo by running the command, which is docker images vulnerables DVWA it is stored here. Now I'll create an alias of the image by running the command docker tag. I'll do docker tag vulnerable image. I'll hit enter. like this. I'll check again. I'll execute this command. Docker images and the name with which I have tagged this image. It is I tagged it with another name. I should have tagged it with the name of my ACR name, but no worries. I'll use docker push command to upload the new image to the Azure repository and generate image scan. I'll do docker push and I'll get the name from here. I'll add the name here. Vulnerable. I'll create a repo inside this Azure container registry. Okay, I should have used, let me tag that image again. With the correct name. Now I will use the docker push command again. Okay, now I did docker push command and it's pushing up the image to the repository in my container registry on the Azure portal. Pushing. It'll take a few more seconds. I'll pause the video and come back. Okay, now you see that the image has been uploaded or pushed here. Now we will investigate the recommendation for vulnerabilities in ACR. So if I go to Microsoft Defender for Cloud, you can click from here or you can go here. You'll see 3 recommendations. It says container registries images should have vulnerability finding resolved. Container registry should not allow unrestricted network access. And container registry should use private link. Now I'll click on this first recommendation. It says remediation steps. Navigate to the relevant source under the unhealthy section and select the container image you are looking to remediate. It says this is the image ID and it says Debian security update for this. 1 scanned images, patch available, yes. And now if you'll see the recommendations and you would take a note of the remediation steps. Review the set of failed security checks found by the scan which are sorted from high to low risk. Click on each vulnerability to view its detailed and explicit remediation. Remediate the vulnerability using the provided instructions, etc., etc. You'll see the findings. Right. So this image was full of vulnerabilities. Now if you will click here, if you click, Debian has released a security update for OpenSSL to fix the vulnerabilities. They refer to the Debian security advisory this for updates and patch information. And this is the affected image that I've uploaded into the container registry. And there is a patch available. So you will update this image and fix these vulnerabilities if you want to see take action. This is a third-party image, so you'll have to update it. Alright. So this is how you enable the Defender for containers and use it. Explore it. And let me know how did it go for you. And we can also connect the GCP project. So we'll see how I can leverage Defender for Cloud to connect to a GCP project in next video. Till then, have a good day, and I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.